So my dear lads, welcome back to my another video. Today I told you I couldn't capture all of the topics together in one video, that's why I am capturing another video. I hope you are going to enjoy this also. So boys, in this video I am going to discuss on question number 12 and 13, set code 121 and 126. Okay, in question number 12, you know, there will be rearrange the words in the appropriate order to make meaningful sentences. Okay, so boys, in this part you have to be careful about 5 kinds of sentences. You know, there are assertive sentence, interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamatory sentences, and you have to be careful because some sentences are a statement sentence and some starts with the verb and some ends with a question mark and exclamation mark. So in this case you have to be careful about the types of sentences. Okay, and also the structure of sentence. You know, in a sentence there will be a subject, then the verb, then the object. So in rearrangement you have to find out the subject. Okay, and in some cases some sentences like imperative sentence starts with the verb, that's why you have to use your brain here. Okay, so in writing the answer you will write like answer to the question number 12, then you will just write the answers, need not copy the questions. Okay, in number A I have written library is nearby there. So the answer will be there is a library nearby. Then number B, my help I usually mother. So find out the subject. So I is the subject, I usually help my mother. Then number C, on the is supermarket corner the. So the answer will be the supermarket is on the corner. Okay, so the supermarket is the subject. Dark was sky the. So the sky is the subject, that's why I have written the sky was dark. Then number E, chamber the we at doctors were. So the subject is we, that's why I have written we were at the doctor's chamber. Okay, this is set code 121. Now set code 126. In number A, the question is Anne slept for he hour. So he is the subject, you will write he slept for an hour. Number B, of a water drink lot. So you know some sentences starts with the verb, that's why drink. Okay, drink is the verb here, drink a lot of water. This is an imperative sentence. Number C, to make helps us strong milk. So milk is the subject, milk helps us to make us strong. Number D, teacher we our love. So we is the subject, we love our teacher. Number E, you going where are. So number E will be where are you going. Boys, you know, in some cases you will have to face the interrogative sentences, and in case of interrogative sentences in the questions there will be no, or there can be no question mark, but when you are going to write this answer you have to use this question mark. Okay, if there is no question mark in the rearrangement, in the question of the rearrangement, but the sentence is interrogative sentence, you have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. So be careful about the sentence. I know in your second paper you have learned about the sentences, so I hope that you are not going to face any problem in doing the rearrangement. Okay, now question number 13, code number 121, that is imagine you are Aminul Islam. Okay, Mr. Abdul Karim is your father and Amina Begum is your mother. Your reading class 5 and your date of birth is 10 January 2009. You want to be a member of a library. Now fill up the form by using the above information. Okay, so in this part you have to just fill up a form. This is very easy. In this part you will have 5 marks. Okay, but this is very easy, you just need to copy the question. That is, in the question there will be some names, you just need to apply these names in the forms. Okay, so the answer will be like answer to the question number 13, then name. You will not use your own name. Okay, follow the question. In the question there will be the name of a person or the person's father or mother, so you have to use that names. Okay, so in name you will write Aminul Islam, then father's name Mr. Abdul Karim, mother's name Amina Begum, class 5, date of birth 10 January 2009. Okay boys, you know, you can see there are dots here. So when you are going to write the answer, put some dot here under the names. Okay, I couldn't give it, but in the exam when you are going to write these names, please put some dots under these names. Okay, I am again saying put some dots under the names like the question. Okay, here are some dots. So in the names, under the names, you have to write some dots. Okay, this set code 126. This is also similar. Fatima is a student of class 5. She lives in Shonapur. It is a small village. Her father is Rahmat Ali and mother is Khanis Fatima. They live with her. Now fill up the form by using Fatima's information. Okay, so you have to fill up the form by using Fatima's information. In name you will write Fatima, then father's name Rahmat Ali, mother's name Khanis Fatima, class 5, village Shonapur. Okay, boys, don't forget to put the dot under the names. Okay, I couldn't put the dot, but I am requesting you, please put the dot by yourself. Okay, in some cases there will be a stamp of a photo. Okay, so when there will be a box of a photo, please draw a box also in the answer sheet. Okay, always boys, don't forget to draw a photo box here. Okay, if there is no photo box, you don't need to draw it, but if there is a photo box here, you have to draw a photo here. Okay, no need to draw actually any person's picture, just draw a box here and write according to the question. Okay, so boys, this is all about your question number 13, and I have discussed from question number 9 to question number 13 today. If you face any problem in understanding, please ask me in the question comment section. And boys, I hope this lecture is going to be very useful for you, and I have showed how to write all of the answers. And from question number 9 to 13, you have to remember that you need not copy any of the questions, you just write the answer. Okay, so boys, best of luck for your exam. See you in my next class. Till then, please follow all of the lectures of all of the teachers, because all of the lectures are very important. I know this is difficult to watch all of the videos, but this is, you know, we are helpless, nothing to do. That's why you have to study through this online class. And boys, those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, because without your subscription you will not be notified. Okay, thank you boys for watching my video. Wait for my next class. Okay, goodbye.